Hey guys, welcome home to 15811 Lavenham Road in Northstone Country Club. As you enter the office, there is crown molding, tray ceiling, and a bump out bay window. As you enter the 2-story foyer, you'll see oversized windows and tons of natural light and detailed molding. Hardwood floors throughout the main living area. The kitchen is open and bright with stainless appliances, brand new quartz countertops, farmhouse style sink, custom cabinetry with soft close. This home is move-in ready. Cannot wait to cook in this kitchen. When you walk in through the dining room, the drop zone hits you. Guest suites down in the main, full bath, perfect for guests. As you go into the owner's bathroom, you'll notice a custom dual vanity with quartz countertops, an oversized shower with frameless glass. The owner's suite closet is also massive and a perfect walk-in. This home is freshly painted and move-in ready. Brand new carpet in the secondary bedrooms. And in the secondary bath, you have a dual vanity custom, beautiful custom tile, and private tub. Full brick, mature landscaping, and gorgeous, it is ready for the next homeowner. Northstone has a signature golf course, dining area, tennis, and a 3,500 square foot fitness facility with on-site classes. Of course, the membership is separate, but you definitely want to check it out as this is a massive amenity for the community. Northstone Country Club, what a place to be. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to tour this beautiful home in person, click the link below or give me a shout.